She argues that you have to choose one out of them. You have to choose.
You are two.
No,
You are two. No, you are two.
You
You are two boys and no
she puts she
full form
starts
of girls. You know the full form of girls.
What?
Full forms of girls.
No, I don't want to know. I don't want to know.
You
Okay,
how will you defend it?
बोलती बन.
Would like to take notes while I take totes of them out.
मजा आया और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूं.
This topic is the reason for all the rift in our family. So they will make your mind okay today, and they will have to make you understand who are responsible for all the quarrel in the family. The stage is yours, okay? Don't fight, okay? Don't hold anyone's neck, okay? And collar, okay? Be in limit, but give your best and give your points, okay? Because these guys, our viewers, are waiting for this type of videos, okay? So you clip very beautiful video for improving your English. Watch it completely. Thank you very much.
Although in every conversation girls starts arguing, but at this time I will start to that in family every time girls are the responsible for any clash in the family. That whenever they go outside or inside the home also, they are sitting with mothers or sisters, they start to talk about other people or other relatives. That becomes the ultimate reason for the clash in the family, or they are the reason for the clash in relatives also.
Right. First point is very strong, okay?
That's why he doesn't share to her wife.
it's happening because of what?
Kamal ka word hai. Very beautiful. Let me explain it. Right? Clash is Hindi word and clash is English word.
Yeah.
समझ में आ रहा है? मतलब इस मामले में अंग्रेज and Indian all are same, right? Clash and clash. Good to know
Now-
that. Yeah.
Listen, one thing I want to tell you that just suppose if a girl can make 10 chapati in 10 minutes, then
You know what?
no, listen to me first. Then how many chapati she can made if 4 girls combine their
Zero. Yeah.
what they will make? They will listen. They will make a dish or a plate full with a Saas Bahu story, and they will make a dish where she will share the story about their relatives and their sisters, brothers. Even they will share stories about their father, mother, and their friends also. That's they cannot work with each other. It shows that if they combine, if they come together and they cannot do any productive work in their home. That is the reason. If they combine each other, if they get together to each other, they will make only talks. How will you defend it?
बोलती बन.
Boys hiding themselves. Boys always hidden themselves. You know why? Because they know if I highlight myself,
They want to hide
Stop
themselves
my
because
phone.
there is a reason. Because they have lots of pressure of work and they have the lots of work and pressure. They are responsible.
See this guy, who is winning by the way?
oh my god,
Now, girls, it decides कर देगा who is responsible for fight. Okay? Who is responsible for fight? Wow.
because here boys
Excellent job.
number is
I can easily understand why they are responsible for all the fight because they speak very loudly.
No.
Loud.
At this time they are speaking loud, but whenever they
Let me explain. What happens when a girl says that, okay, Janu, sorry, husband को कह रहा है, darling क्यों? हाँ कह सकते हैं, अरे wife is telling darling क्यों कि I just made a mistake. How can you do that?
at that time their voice will raise.
Listen to her. She's a wife. सुन तो लो. नहीं, reaction all the time. Very loud. You stupid. दिमाग में बैठा पड़ा कर stupid. What is this?
No, sir.
Don't do that.
Sir, listen to me, sir. Listen to me. At this time boys are speaking loud, but whenever any fight spreads in the home,
एक कहावत है यार एक कहावत
No, Hindi,
whenever
listen. Viewers, I don't want to look, anywhere left or right. I'm in the center. Thank you very much.
In this channel you are wrong, sir.
at this time boys can be loud, but whenever
Because your
they-
number is very-
just listen to me carefully, but whenever any fights spreads in the home, at that time she will be like, I am the
They
even
are also
talk to
jealous.
them.
They're jealous with their best
You
friend.
don't
We
turn out the point. Okay, it was all about girl and boys. Do not make it like
talking
friendship.
about fights.
Yeah,
We are not talking
It's
about
also
friends.
about
friendship.
fight.
Okay.
No.
There's
No,
also-
it's about fight, that if you have a
This
fight
is a
with a
love-sick fight. Okay.
No.
It happen with friends.
if you have a fight with
This is
any
about
friend,
friendship.
you
I
will
am
not
getting-
never
I
you will
am
never
getting your
talk to
point,
them.
Okay, I am getting your point, but you are talking about the friendship. In friend, if you fight,
Okay, okay.
your friend will be there.
Let's
but in
close
family
this.
member, you are also on the same as girl. Do
No,
not,
we-
do not. Do
Boys
not,
generally don't fight in family member.
Oh, you are not
Yeah.
that much sweet. Okay, you fight.
No.
You fight.
Where can you
don't
give?
accept,
Can you give any example?
Yeah, I can.
Not in real life, just where to whom they fight.
As I'm
And for
talking
what
about,
reason?
yeah, I can give you an example. As you are talking about the boys, boys can be anyone, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
That can be brother.
Right.
Brother always fight with sister, and they find the reason of fighting. If you have
Oh, that is a adorable fight. That is a lovable fight.
No, that
you-
is a fight, okay? And that fight makes a strong fight, okay?
no.
Yes, you are not.
Girls
listen,
are- it's
if
brother
I
and
am
sister-
giving if I am giving the point, he is not accepting. No.
Oh.
And if he gives what, I will accept. No,
Girls
I am
and
also-
you,
I am
it's not
also
like that.
accept
Girls
your
and
point.
brother and sisters are like that. She's, they are both are
They
like
irritate
friends,
each other.
and
Okay, now
they
tell
know
me,
each other,
tell me,
and they.
if wife and husband fight, what do you think? Husband forgive very easily? No, it's not like that.
Oh, if you are going on
No,
wife
no,
and
no,
husband,
you
then
are-
I
yeah.
will also say that everywhere. She will fight with her husband,
How?
and yeah,
How?
You don't know.
she will fight
has
like
pressure
listen.
of In-laws
If they-
house and her house.
Even if she is not knowing about the condition of
Sister,
her
I was
husband,
just talking about
of his
sister.
husband, then also she will fight that she needs she have to go there, she have to go for trip. Even if they are not knowing about the condition, if they know about the condition also, then also they will
What
fight.
do you mean by this girl don't have mind? They don't think about their family. They
Yeah.
think, okay? They think.
And you know what?
They
You
think,
must
but
always
no,
make
they
your
think,
family
but then
happy.
also she starts fight. Wife nowadays, wife are the reason for the husband has to send his father for whole old age home.
It's not like that.
Yeah, it's like that.
Don't you have mind to use? Don't you can stop her?
They have mind. They have proper mind. Just listen to me. They have mind. What will they have mind? What will
Listen to me. Can't you make your wife understand that he is your father and she is
wife
your
will
mother?
not get that.
You have.
They don't understand
You must
that.
have that much
Husband
ability.
put their 100% effort to make them understand, but they will.
Wife understand.
To make them understand.
Right.
Husband
you
puts-
must have ability to make your
Yes,
wife
husband-
never understand the boy
One
feeling.
second, one second,
Okay.
one
Oh,
second.
what do you mean by this? We don't
Listen to me
understand.
first.
No.
You
I know.
Oh, yeah.
In order,
First, listen
you
to
want-
me.
Yeah.
Husband puts their 100% effort to make them understand, but she doesn't get that.
Oh,
Then
what do you mean?
listen to
What do you
me. She
mean by
puts.
this?
She
If you
puts.
are- if
She
you
argues
are
that.
getting-
She argues that you have to choose one out of them. You
Yes,
have to
that's
choose.
it.
You are too.
No,
You are two, no, you are two.
You
You
are
are
two.
two boys are not just.
she puts their point like that. she have to the husband have to choose one of them, like you have to, if you have to live with
Whatever
me,
you are
or
speaking,
either you have to live with me or you have to live with your father
Listen
and
to me,
mother.
whatever you are speaking, it is about the big fighting. You know, when it becomes very big, then they do
No.
like this. They
Then
don't do-
how
it's
they
very good.
how
Listen
they
to me.
reach to
Small,
that big
small,
fighting?
in small,
This
small
reach to
fighting,
that
don't
from a
do
small
like that,
fighting
okay?
only.
In a small fighting, they don't speak like this. That you have to choose one.
At that extent, from where their that kind of approach came, they are, if they are doing a small fight in the home, that
Yeah,
becomes
as you
that
were,
reason
as you
for
were
the.
speaking about girls, like boys, like put their 100% to make them understand.
Yeah.
No,
Listen,
if you
every
listen,
time.
if you have put your 100% to make them understand,
Then
anyone
he
can
will
understand.
understand.
Ask from public.
Anyone can understand, but girls cannot
What if
understand.
anyone that-
Girls will
are
not
also
never.
there.
Girls will
Girls are
never
also-
get that.
girls
She
are
will
also
argue.
there.
She will
Boys against
continuously
boys.
argue.
No,
If you
I
always-
am not going to accept it. You are wrong here. Ask from
No,
public.
no,
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 you
no.
can ask
We are
her.
right. We are right.
You can
We are
understand,
right.
okay? No, you
are
are
right.
wrong.
What do you
are
think?
absolutely
Can we
wrong,
make
okay?
girls understand?
Yes.
Can we make girls understand?
No.
Hello.
Girls understand everything.
No.
You
She
are-
understands,
you
but
listen
they
to me.
always try
You
to.
don't have
She will
ability
always
to
try to
understand.
win or get. She always tries to understand their words
They
only.
don't understand their boys'
Listen,
feelings.
listen,
They
listen.
always
You
blackmail
don't have
their
ability.
husband to they blackmail,
Yeah.
emotional blackmail to her husband
Yeah.
to accept
You can also do emotional blackmail, whatever
No,
you're talking
what?
about.
No, no.
You have a-
I can do what?
Boys
What
are the
should I
real
do?
hero.
What
Boys
should I
are
do?
the real
No, no.
hero.
Listen.
You have
What
to
should I will say that. What should I do that? If you will not listen to me, I will not give money in the home. It's not.
And you
But
can see
that
that.
no.
You can
We
see
will
that
do that.
the
We will
boys-
always give money, or we
You
will
can
always
see
give
that
support to them.
Boys are
And
never
girl-
weeping in the front of women, but
Huh.
women are weeping in front of men.
She-
This is the black emotional.
This is your.
That is the emotional blackmail.
Boys
I have a
boys
point,
have
I
a
have a
power to
point.
hide their
Listen,
emotional.
It's not
But
power.
boys have no
second.
power
It's
to
not power.
emotion.
You,
Hide their
you
emotion.
don't have ability to cry onto the in front of people. You think
Why?
you are very strong,
No.
but you cannot weep. This is the thing.
You are accept that you accept.
Why should I cry? Why should I cry?
Why
Why should I cry? But if you are feeling slightly dull, you can cry. Nobody will stop you. Okay. While crying, you remove your whatever you have feeling. You
You
remove.
know the
She
full form
starts
of
to
girls.
cry.
You know the full form of girls.
What?
Full forms of girls.
No, I don't want to know. I don't want to know.
You
Okay, I
because
don't
that
want to
is
know.
what-
No,
I don't
one
want to
second,
know.
one
I
second.
do not
As
want
I
to
am
know.
talking that if girls want to make anything, that if girls want to make अपना बात मनवाना चाहती है,
Yeah.
तो she will say that I will not cook food, I will not do anything,
Okay.
I will not serve tea
Okay.
to the
Okay.
tea
What do
to
you think? Girls is
husband's
just for
mother.
doing this work? Girls
Boys
is just
also
for
do
doing
this
this
work.
You
No,
can
boys
also do.
can
You
also
can
do.
also do. If girls
But
can, you can do the same.
At
okay?
that time, she is doing very well when there is no any
Yeah,
fight.
yeah.
But when any fight starts,
Yeah.
she starts to say that I will not do
Tell
anything.
me why.
You are
She
never
can-
again.
If she don't want to- listen to me,
you
listen to me, listen
You
to
are
me.
the reason for all the fightings.
Yeah.
Okay.
They started
If she
argument.
if she don't want
I
to cook,
understand. I understand.
in a normal
I
day, she can
understand.
tell that I don't want to cook. I want to go outside and have
Yeah.
some
You
fun.
have to
or-
order the food from
Order-
outside.
Tell me
But
one thing.
whenever there is a fight, then she starts to talk like that. That I will not cook food. I will not cook
Now
food, and
tell
I
me
will not
one
serve
thing.
anything to
Tell
others.
me one thing. Can you cook?
Yeah.
Cook by yourself. Why do you want the girl?
I can,
to-
but
Why
no,
do you want
But
girl-
we have to do many work.
When
We have to go outside.
Who do my work?
The-
Who do my work? Who go to the job?
You
job
have to
for
do your
my
work.
job?
Yeah.
What
Who
you
go do
mean
the
by-
job? Who
what
earn
do
the
you
money?
mean?
And no. You are saying one second. You are saying you are.
Who earn the money? Then there is the man. There is the man. There is the man.
Do you know?
There is the man.
Listen to me. Do you know?
If-
A girl do outside work and inside work too. Can you? No, you can't. You can't.
Okay, if any fight happens, okay, I'm not responsible at all. Seriously, I'm telling you, they are fighting on their own risk. Jigga public, I'm just making it very crystal clear to you because they are not manageable today. I told them many times, please stop the debate, please stop the discussion, but it is not discussion now, it is becoming argument. If you enjoy it, please write in the comment box. I will continue this debate. Okay? Oh, you cannot. Seriously, you are online. Nah, I'm talking about offline people. Should I continue this?
Yes, sir.
So
They are liking.
2 more minutes. Okay? It means our online viewers
Yeah.
are also liking this beautiful debate. Okay?
Right, sir.
Understand? So थोड़ा सांस लीजिए, take a deep breath, okay? I know
No,
you
I
guys
can
are making big impacts on our channel, as this is just to improve, our English, okay? Because sometimes when we are aggressive and interested and passionate to talk about anything, we speak from our hearts. There may be some grammatical errors, okay? That's not a big problem actually, right? Because we're just trying to learn it. All right. So now,
I
I
did that
think we
time.
have to stop it because it's becoming jada ho raha hai, right?
Yeah.
So, thank you for watching the complete video, and it's seriously needless to say, share, subscribe, and बहुत सारी चीजें like say and do that, okay? Because I know you will do it without telling. You're a good
Right,
guy.
sir.
Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye. Take care. Okay. All right. Done.